Hey, I'm going to show you how to create a green screen video using Instagram and the InShot app. This is great when you want to showcase something in the background and then having you talk and explain it in the foreground. In Instagram, create a reel as you normally would and then open up your side menu here, expand it, and then click green screen. And then a green screen is going to appear behind you. From here, you can use the options of backgrounds that Instagram provides, but if you're trying to showcase something that you've recorded, go to your camera roll and then choose that photo or video, and that will show up with the green screen behind, and then record and share whatever it is you have to share, and then you'll finish off your reel as you normally would. You can add words, you can add GIFs, you can add captions, and then add your actual caption, hashtags, and post it or save it as a draft to share for later. Sometimes it's easier to do this separately. So you'll record what it is you want the background to be, whatever it is that you're showcasing as a video, and then record yourself explaining it. And then you want to combine these two videos that you can't do in Instagram. You can do it with the InShot app, which is totally free. So you're going to open up InShot, create a new video, and the video you're going to upload first is the background. So whatever you want behind you in the green screen, that is what you're going to record as the main video, or add as the main video. Once you've added that in, set it up however you want to set it up. But then you are going to choose the PIP. I call it PIP. I don't know if it's PIP or PIP, but I call it PIP. You're going to choose that option, and then you're going to import the video of yourself in the foreground that you want, explaining whatever it is that you're sharing in the background. So you're going to pip that in, and then the other option you're going to use is the cutout option. So basically it's going to take the video of you and it's going to cut around your body, only showcasing you talking, explaining it, and then you're going to just move it to the part of the screen that you want it to be at, and you have your green screen video recorded. Save it, download it, and post it.